this is phenomenal. Now, I still think we need to be cautiously optimistic, but the snippets of data that we have available look phenomenal. They've completed the study. They enrolled over 43,000 people in this trial. Half of them got a vaccine. Half of them got a placebo. It was just saline. And then they watched everyone go through the trial. And during this trial, there were 170 cases of COVID-19, and 162 of those cases were in the placebo group. That's a massive difference between the placebo group and the vaccine. So they're saying that this can reduce the risk basically by about 95%.
Canadian infectious diseases expert Dr. Isaac Bogosh reacting on breakfast television just moments after Pfizer revealed its latest coronavirus vaccine data is even better than what it had first reported. And the company says it's just days away from its next big step, applying for emergency use authorization in the U.S. The race for a successful COVID-19 vaccine is showing promise, but with challenges still ahead for production and distribution. The World Health Organization also warning Wednesday.
Some people think that vaccine will be the solution, the unicorn we've all been chasing. It's not. We need to add vaccination to the existing physical measures, being careful, and hygiene. We will go a long way to getting rid of this virus.
Another sign of hope, though, in France. While the country just became the first in Europe to top 2 million infections, officials say the nation's current strict lockdown is driving down the spread. No easing of rules expected anytime soon. An update from the French president is set for next week. Clashes in Germany, where thousands protested the German chancellor's plan to give her government powers to enforce restrictions aimed at curbing the virus. The country that avoided the worst in the spring is now facing a growing second wave. To another country that's also been praised for its early handling of the virus, South Korea. It reported more than 300 new daily cases Wednesday, the highest number since August. Officials say they're now at a crossroads. New restrictions now coming to Seoul. And finally to Australia, a new outbreak triggering a 6-day circuit breaker lockdown in the state of South Australia.
That's the cue.
A rush at grocery stores before the rules went into effect. The shutdown is a drastic one. Schools and restaurants will close, and only one person per household is allowed to go out a day, and only for essential reasons. Melissa Duggan, City News.